Hello again. So, one of the things I'm going to show you is how to cut a pineapple. Maybe you buy it already cut, maybe you buy it canned. But it's so easy to trim and cut a fresh pineapple, and it's so much better for you, and it is so delicious. It's one of my daughter's favorites. In fact, she's here again. So I offered her pineapple and she said, yeah, please. So you just cut the top and bottom off and then go down the sides. This is basically what the cored pineapple that you buy in the grocery store is. Now you do want it to get ripe, so choosing a pineapple is something you need to learn, but I think you learn that from experience. So they're mostly green in the store, but you don't want them to be too green. You still want it to have, I'm cutting off the eyes. You still want it to have some yellow, so I'll show you on a piece that I took off. So you see how it's yellow around here? You want it to have some yellow, but you don't want it to be mushy and brown on the bottom because that indicates it's kind of rotting. So this one is a lot more ripe at the bottom than the top. I think you can see it's darker here. This is going to be really sweet. And this is going to be not so sweet. But that is one of the disadvantages of a fresh pineapple. And every once in a while you'll get one that's just perfect. So I quartered it like that because now we're going to cut the core out. You just go straight in. And the core is just really woody. Can you eat it? Yep. But it's not near as good. And then we're going to cut. And cut. Cut it whatever size you want. And that's it. Do you want a bowl?
Yes, please.
Okay, get a bowl. So, any questions, please ask. Trying to think, choosing a pineapple. You want it to slightly smell like fresh pineapple. And again, you're going to learn from experience because, you know, you'll think you've done a good job choosing and then it will rot. Or you'll open it up and it'll kind of be rotten and kind of not be that sweet on the top. So like I said, it's just a matter of doing it, making mistakes, learning from those mistakes. All right. She approves. Have a great day.